sunset over there today. What kind of color it again there? 2 to 3 color, isn't it? You come on that the gear there. Just remember where to see. I see it one just fly there. Yeah, the one there, this one right to see. One right to show my finger there. See that move? Yeah, man, evening time, man, in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Finger. Yes, you too. See them how short man life is, isn't it? Like some blood clot instigator, so you got to there. I mean, this bird there. Fuck out there, right there, sir. Fuck out there, sir. Yeah. Fuck out there. Bird evening, isn't it? Don't know all the blessings, people. It's a funny cloud. The cloud, see there? The cloud up on the sun, and the sun has set the sea, isn't it? So that's why you get the reflection there. Bird, man. Isn't it? Yes, I have the blessings, man, you know what I mean? Yes, I.